Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating and ancient crafts, the making of silk fabrics from silkworms. Silk has been prized for centuries for its luxurious texture, but do you know how this amazing fabric is actually made? Let's uncover the secrets behind silk production. From the humble silkworm to the silky smooth fabric you wear. Let's get started. The journey begins with the silkworm, specifically the species called Bombyx mori. These little creatures are not actually worms, but caterpillars. They start life as tiny eggs, and after a few weeks they hatch into larvae. These larvae are voracious eaters of mulberry leaves, which is their primary food source, but it's what happens next that's truly amazing. As the silkworm matures, it begins to spin its protective cocoon made entirely of silk threads. These silk threads are produced from a gland inside the worm. The worm spins these threads around itself in a figure-8 pattern, creating a tight, protective casing. Each silk thread is incredibly fine, but long, up to a mile in length in some cases. Over the next few days, the worm finishes spinning its cocoon, and it's now ready for the next step. Once the silkworms have completed their cocoon, it's time for the harvest. These cocoon threads are collected and then boiled in hot water to soften the sericin, which is the glue-like substance holding the silk fibers together. This process is known as degumming. After boiling, the fibers become much more pliable and ready for spinning. Next, the silk is reeled. This means unwinding the long, delicate fibers from the cocoon onto a reel. Several individual threads are combined together to make stronger strands that can be used for weaving or knitting. Reeling is a delicate process because the silk threads are so fine and fragile. This is why it's traditionally done by hand, although modern machinery can also be used. Once we have the silk threads, it's time for the fun part, dyeing and weaving. The silk threads can be dyed into a variety of vibrant colors using natural or synthetic dyes. Once the threads are dyed, they're ready to be woven into fabric. Skilled weavers create intricate patterns using looms, turning the long strands of silk into beautiful fabrics. And there you have it. After weaving, the fabric is finished and ready for use. Silk fabric is renowned for its softness, sheen, and luxurious feel, making it the fabric of choice for everything from high-end fashion to home decor. The entire process, from silkworm to fabric, takes careful attention and time, but the result is always stunning. Here are some fun facts about silk that you might not know. Silk is one of the strongest natural fibers and can be as strong as steel of the same thickness. It's incredibly breathable, making it perfect for both hot and cold weather. China has been the birthplace of silk production for over 5,000 years, and the Silk Road got its name from this precious commodity.